So hi from New Delhi train station. We've managed to sneak onto the platform tickets. Where do we go? Ta-da! So it's outside rush hour, so it's not too busy. So you should see people with like just literally like big bags of rice and big bags of stuff. So they're taking all their possessions between places. Yeah, they're the ones they'd hang off. You fancy going down?
Will depart at its scheduled time, 15 hours, 20 minutes from platform number 11.
That's colourful. Just embracing it, very impressed. Ah, yes. Oh, look at those clean windows. Look at that. It's like a step back in time, isn't it? It's Jen. There's a man. Beep beep. She's still with me. Who's coming? Oh, it comes. There's you.
Are you sure?
You okay? So hi from Delhi. Don't get run over, Daddy. Don't get run over, friend. Wow. Oh, I don't know, sorry.
15 hours, 45 minutes from
Keep going. Wow. Busy, busy. Salute to Iran, people will be hanging off for this one. They're already crammed in. Hi from New Delhi.